Good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome for today's lecture. In the last lecture, we have started the interconnection of two-port networks. So, there are the three types. First one is series connection of two-port networks. After that, second one will be parallel connection of two-port networks. And third one, cascade connection of a two-port network. So, out of three, in last lecture, we have completed the first two, that is the series connection of two-port networks and parallel connection of two-port networks. So today we will continue in the interconnection of two-port networks. So third we will start, that will be the cascade connection of two-port networks. So first of all, what do you mean by cascade connection? So cascade connection means the output of first network is connected as input to other network. Are you understand? You already studied the multi-stage amplifier using BJT, APT like this. In that, what you did? The output of first stage amplifier you have connected to the input to the second stage amplifier. So same way, here the output of first network you have to connect as an input to the second network. Like this, you have to continue it. Okay. So such type of connection is called as what? Cascade connection. So we will start with the definition. So cascade connection means, if someone is asking in the oral question, then you have to give the answer. Cascade connection means output of one network connected as input to other network. Okay. So you have to remember the output of one network connected as an input to other network. This is type called as what? Cascade connection. So here the ABCD parameters we are going to use. The ABCD, or we can say transmission parameters. Transmission parameters are used to represent cascade connection of two-port network. Cascade connection of two-port networks. So again, this point will be considered as a MCQ point. MCQ point of view, this statement is very important. The ABCD or transmission parameters are used to represent the cascade connection of two-port networks. Now next line, the ABCD parameters can be represented in the form of matrix as the ABCD parameters can be represented in the matrix form as equation already we know, but we can put in the form of matrix. So ABCD मध्ये V1 आणि I1 काय असतो? Dependent. So in bracket A, B, C, D, this is called as what? Transmission matrix. Next column matrix as a V2 and minus I2. Okay. So this is called as what? Transmission matrix. Remember. Okay. So we'll start with the cascade connection diagram first of all. So I will draw the diagram. So network X and network Y we can say. This is network NX म्हणा आपण, network NX. So this is the network NY. Okay, these two networks connected in cascade now. So input port here combinedly I will connect, means what? The output of first network is connected as an input to second network, and output we are taking, final output we are taking from the second port of last network. Okay. So for timing I will give the port name 1 dash This is 2 dash, 2 dash acting as an input for this one. Next 3 dash. So this is called as what? Figure 1, or sorry, figure number 3 we can use now. Cascade connection. Cascade connection of 2-port networks. Okay, so we have to mention the variables now. So as usual, this is I1 plus minus V1. At the last, plus minus, this we can consider final output as a V2 and this as a I2. Don't confuse here. Even though 3 dash is there, we can consider as a final stage, input stage and output stage as the same. That is V2 I2 and V1 even. In series also, in parallel also, we have taken the same one. Okay. Now internal we will see with respect to network X. With respect to network X, what will be the voltage now here? This is V1X and this current is what? I1X. Okay, so next one, this current is what? I2X. Okay, and this current is I1Y. This is I1Y and this current is I2Y. So voltage is plus minus V2X is equal to V1Y NR. This is also plus minus. So all are the same. V2X is equal to V1Y. So similarly at the last, V2 is equal to what? Plus minus V2Y. So mention with respect to network X and network Y. So observe the where are the variables I have mentioned. Plus minus V1 I1 as it is. So at the output plus minus V2 I2 as it is. Now with respect to network X, the current I1X and voltage V1X. At the second port, current I2X and V2X. Now with respect to network Y, current I1Y, voltage V1Y, and output that is I2Y and V2Y. Okay, so mark with respect to network X as well as network Y. So this will be the diagram. Once you are drawing the diagram and mentioning all those things clearly, then it will be easy for the derivation. So we'll start with, let us consider two two-port networks, two-port networks NX and NY connected in cascade, as shown in figure number 3. Okay, let us consider two-port networks NX and NY connected in cascade as shown in figure number 3. Okay, now how to represent the ABCD parameters for network X and how to represent the ABCD parameter for network Y, that we will see. Now the matrix representation of ABCD parameters किंवा ट्रान्समिशन पॅरामीटर म्हणू शकता of ABCD parameters for network NX is the matrix representation of ABCD parameters for network NX is. So how to represent? कसं represent करायचं? Who will tell? Okay, or directly I will write V1 I1 as an input for the network X किंवा V1X I1X लिहिलं तरी चालेल, and that you can replace by V1 I1 like this. Simple, you can directly write V1 I1. So next, ABCD parameters of network X. So how to write? AX, BX, CX, DX. X is due to what? This is associated with network X or network NX. Next, what will be the output parameters? Output parameters काय असणार आहे? Don't write V2 I2 because V2 I2 is related to second network. So what will be there? So that will be I2x, V2x and minus I2x. So I will show that one with respect to diagram. So see here, V1 and I1 at the input. Next, current I2x and V2x. So V2x and minus I2x you have to write in the column matrix. Now next, this I will give the equation number 1 or matrix form equation number 1. Now next, similarly, the matrix representative or representation, the matrix representation of ABCD parameters for ABCD parameters for network NY is, so for network NY, what will be the input now? Input काय असणार आहे? That will be the V1Y and I1Y. Okay, I will show in the diagram. First of all, you can write down. So ABCD parameters with respect to NY is AY, BY, CY and DY. Bracket complete. Next, in the column matrix, the output parameters, that is you can write it, directly write, you can write V2Y and minus I2Y, or you can directly write V2 and I2. Okay, so next one, this will be the equation number 2, but this will be the point number 3, but from cascade connection or from the given diagram, from cascade connection it is observed that so what will be the observation that I will write? So we will come to the diagram. So for the network X, I1Y, V1Y we are written at the input. At the output we are written V2Y and I2Y. Okay, that is in the equation number 2. Now observation, what you can say? Observation you can say I2X and I1Y both are same, equal in magnitude, but opposite in direction. हे दोन्ही सेम असणार आहे, but opposite in direction. That's why you can write I2X is nothing but minus I1Y किंवा I1Y is nothing but minus I2X. That is the first observation. Second observation, V2X is equal to V1Y. हे दोन्ही voltage same असणार आहे because parallel आहेत, हे दोन्ही parallel आहेत. So for parallel circuit always voltage is same. So V2X is equal to V1Y. This is the second observation. Third observation, I2 is equal to I2Y and V2 is equal to V2Y. So there will be total 4 observation you can write. So from observation, V2X is equal to V1Y. Next, V2 is equal to V2Y. This is with respect to voltage. With respect to current, I1Y is equal to minus I2X and I2 is equal to I2Y. So these are the with respect to current. So put these in equation number 1 and 2. Put these in equation 1 and 2. Okay, so equation number 1 मध्ये बघा काय होईल आता. This is V1 I1 as it is equal to AX BX CX DX as it is. Now V2X is replaced by V2X म्हणजेच काय? V2X means what? V1Y you can replace minus I2X. So minus I2X means what? I1Y you can replace it. Okay, so this is equation number 3. This is equation number 3. So equation number 4 we will get now. So 4 how you can get? From equation number 2 you can observe. This is V1Y as it is, I1Y as it is equal to AY BY CY DY. Now next, at the last column, V2Y and I2Y you can replace. So V2y means what? V2y means V2 and I2y means I2. Okay, V2y is replaced by V2 and I2y is replaced by I2. So that will be V2 minus I2. So this is equation number 4. So equation 3 and 4, carefully observe. Carefully observe the equation number 3 and 4. So put equation number 4. Put equation number 4 in equation number 3. हा जो है ना V1 I1, this matrix you can put here. Okay, this matrix you can put here, means this is replaced by this column matrix. This column matrix you can replace by this product, the product of these two matrix. So this column matrix you can replace by product of these matrix. So put equation 4 in equation 3, we get. So put equation number 4 in equation number 3. So equation 3 मध्ये काय, left hand side as it is. So this is V1 I1 as it is equal to ax bx cx dx as it is. Now that column matrix V1y I1y is replaced by product of two matrix. So product means what? That is ay dy cy dy into column matrix V2 minus I2. So this will be the equation number 5. So compare equation 5 with so what will be the common representation? That is V1 I1 is equal to A B C D. This is general equation of the y parameter, sorry, of the transmission parameters, that is V2 minus I2. So if you are comparing the above equation, if you are comparing the equation number 5 with this, so what do you get? What do you get? V1 I1 here is also V1 I1, here also V1 I1. At the end V2 minus I2 is here, here also V2 minus I2 is here. So the product of these two matrix is nothing but this matrix. So this will be the observation. If you are comparing this above equation with respect to this equation, then we are getting A B C D is equal to product of two matrices AX BX CX DX, matrix complete. Second matrix AY BY CY DY. So this is your last output. So what you can say, what you can observe from last equation number 6, what you can say? Last statement, conclusion statement. Where A, B, C, D is the transmission matrix for the overall network. A, B, C, D are the transmission matrix of the overall cascade network. So what you can say? Last statement कोणी सांगू शकेल का? Just like in series connection, what we did? The Z parameters of a series connection of a two-port networks is equal to sum of Z parameters of individual networks connected in series. तसं इथं काय statement देता येईल? So see, what will be the statement? The transmission matrix means this one. The transmission matrix of a cascade connection of two-port network. Once again, the transmission matrix of a cascade connection of two-port network is equal to product of, okay, means product of transmission matrices. जेव्हा एकापेक्षा जास्त मॅट्रिक्स असेल तेव्हा मॅट्रिसेस म्हणतो. The product of transmission matrices of individual two-port network. So this is, we can say, the final conclusion that I will write with the help of this new pen. So finally, the transmission matrix The transmission matrix of a cascade connection. The transmission matrix means this one we can see here. The transmission matrix of a cascade connection of two port networks is the product of, so the word is important, product म्हणजेच multiplication, product of transmission matrices, transmission matrices means product of these two matrices, transmission matrices of individual networks connected in cascade, connected in cascade. So it is related to network NX and it is related to network NY. So this is called as transmission matrix of network NX. This is called as transmission matrix of network NY. If n number of matrices are connected in cascade, then there will be the multiplication of or product of transmission matrices of individual network connected in a cascade. So this is about the transmission matrix, how to use for representation of a cascade connection. So the cascade connection is asked number of times in the university question paper for 4 marks. खूप वेळा विचारलेला आहे mark as a IMP question. It was asked for 4 marks up to now, and in last recently regular exam also this question was asked for 4 marks. Explain cascade connection of a two port network. So compared to previous two, it is very simple. Compared to previous two, the cascade connection derivation is very simple. Now this cascade connection have the important application. So it is used for design of telephonic system, design of telephone system. So number of switches will be there, so that's why it is required, because transmission parameters are used mainly in case of transmission lines and antenna. So transmission lines means for related to telephone systems or data transmission lines. It is also used for in the microwave systems, microwave network म्हणा, microwave networks, etc. So these are the applications of cascade connection. So any doubt in this? कोणा doubt आहे का? Two networks shown in figure are connected in series. Obtain Z parameters. Obtain Z parameters of combination. So obtain the Z parameter. Two networks shown in figure are connected in series. In series they are connected. Obtain Z parameters of combination. म्हणजे series combination चं तुम्हाला Z parameters find out करायचे. Okay. I will draw the diagram. One ohm, 2 ohm. This is 10 ohm, 5 ohm, and 20 ohm. So this is network X. This is network This is network Y. So these two networks are connected in series, then obtain Z parameters of the combination. So this type of diagram we have solved. ह्या डायग्राम वरून आपण Z पॅरामीटर्स काढलेले आहे. व्हेरी फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल फ्रॉम दिस युनिट. फक्त व्हॅल्यूज रजिस्टरची व्हॅल्यू चेंज आहेत. तिथं 10, 20, 30 असं घेतलं होतं. हिअर इट इज 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 5 ohm. So take as a network X and network Y. So to find out, I will give the hint. You can take as a homework. So what you have to do now? First find out the Z parameters of a network X. And network X चे Z parameter find out करायचा. Then find out Z parameters of a network Y. Okay. ह्या दोन गोष्टी काढल्यानंतर काय करायचं फायनली बाय मेथड ऑफ और बाय कन्क्लुजन ऑफ सिरीज कनेक्शन. व्हॉट इज द सिरीज कनेक्शन? The overall Z parameters of a series connection of a two-port networks is equal to sum of Z parameters of individual networks connected in series. त्या दोघांचे ऍडिशन करायचं म्हणजे Z11X plus Z11Y, Z12X plus Z12Y, Z21X plus Z21Y, last Z22X plus Z22Y. Okay, so first of all you can find out Z parameters of network X, then find out Z parameters of network Y, and according to the series combination finally add the respective Z parameters to get the overall Z parameters of the combination. Can you try as a homework? Homework म्हणून घेता? Because it will take nearly 10 minutes. So you can, okay, you can try as a homework. In the next lecture we will continue with the same problem. Okay. Yes, okay, okay.